Welcome to our presentation on the fascinating challenges in geochemistry, particularly in understanding gold samples. Our research introduces a straightforward method using Excel to identify potential hidden gold deposits. This innovative approach can significantly enhance exploration efforts, making it easier for geologists to locate valuable resources. Geochemical surveys can sometimes mislead us regarding the presence of gold. In our paper, we present a simple technique to identify potential gold-rich areas by analyzing sample differences. This could revolutionize mineral exploration, saving both time and resources in the process. We are excited about improving gold exploration, a resource that captivates many. Our study highlights a new method to quickly identify promising areas based on sample comparisons. This innovation could lead to more successful mining ventures and a better understanding of mineral distribution. The research delves into the distribution of data across various categories, revealing significant trends and patterns. By focusing on specific ranges, we can identify areas of interest that warrant further investigation. This comprehensive analysis enhances our understanding of the underlying phenomena in geochemistry. In conclusion, our paper provides an in-depth examination of the research topic, emphasizing its significance in the current academic landscape. We detail our methodology for data collection, ensuring transparency and reproducibility. The findings have important implications for future research and practical applications. We encourage further exploration into this topic to build on our findings. For more details regarding the paper, please refer to SciSpace.